Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term epithet. In literary criticism, an epithet is a literary device used to describe a person, object, or concept by attaching a distinctive adjective or adjectival phrase to it. This device adds vividness and depth to the characterization and often becomes a memorable aspect of the work. Additionally, an epithet can also function as an identifying phrase that replaces a noun, creating a symbolic association with the subject. This video explores the significance and various applications of epithets in literature with a focus on examples from classical to modern works. Homeric epithets in ancient Greece. One of the earliest instances of epithets can be found in the epic poems of ancient Greece, such as Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. Homeric epithets are compound adjectives used as recurrent formulas to describe characters and objects with specific attributes. For example, the fleet-footed Achilles and bolt-hurling Zeus are typical Homeric epithets that emphasize the swiftness and power of these characters. In contrast, modern literature employs epithets more creatively, often using irony or poetic devices to enhance the narrative. The Romantic poet John Keats effectively uses epithets in his works to create vivid imagery. In The Eve of St. Agnes, Keats employs the epithet silver snarling trumpets to describe the sound of the wind blowing through the castle. This description not only provides a sensory experience for the reader, but captures the magical and mystical atmosphere of the poem. Mockery and irony in epithets. Another notable example of epithet usage comes from Alexander Pope's mock heroic poem, The Rape of the Lock. Pope humorously applies the epithet, the glittering forfax, to refer to the scissors used by the Baron to cut a lock of hair. This ironic inflation of the scissors highlights the triviality of the act and contributes to the satirical tone of the poem. While many epithets can carry a positive connotation, they are not limited to praise or admiration. Epithets can also be used in invective and derogatory contexts. However, it is essential to recognize that the term epithet itself does not inherently imply negativity. It merely denotes the use of descriptive phrases to characterize subjects, whether positively or negatively. Conventional epithets for historical figures. Moreover, conventional epithets are frequently used to identify historical or legendary figures. For instance, Charlemagne is often referred to as Charles the Great, and Lorenzo de Medici is known as Lorenzo the Magnificent. These conventional epithets help emphasize the significance and impact of these historical figures, reinforcing their legacies. In modern literature, authors continue to employ epithets to add richness and depth to their works. James Joyce's Ulysses is known for its innovative language and parodic references. Bulk Mulligan's playful mockery of Homeric epithets, as seen in The Snot Green Sea, demonstrates the author's mastery of linguistic and narrative techniques. Conclusion. In conclusion, epithets play a crucial role in literature by providing descriptive depth, creating memorable associations, and contributing to the overall artistic experience. For the use of conventional epithets in historical contexts, to the imaginative and satirical employment in modern works, this literary device remains a powerful tool in the hands of skilled authors to shape their narratives and captivate readers. So this was the discussion on the term epithet. We will meet in the next video and discuss some another term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.